What is going on in Assam? The NRC problem, it is not only the Bengalis, it is the minorities, it is the Hindus, it is the Bengalis, it is the Biharis, it is the Rajasthanis, it is throughout my country. More than 40 lakhs people, they voted yesterday also. This ruling party is in power because of their vote yesterday also. And now suddenly you said you are not neither the voters or the citizens. You cannot stay in India. I am really shocked to see how the Indians became the foreigners. Within a second, even we have a great respect for our foreigners. There also we can't misbehave. Foreigners, they are our guests. We always give a full respect to our foreign friends. They are also our brothers and sisters. Love your world. Then the love your neighbor, it will mean love your world. But what is going on and what can be, this is more alarming. Only to win the election and only to win the battle, people cannot be victimized. Now today say, these people cannot vote also. If they don't vote, if their list doesn't exist, don't you think they will lose their identity? Where they will get the food? How they will go to the school? How they will go for employment? Nobody will allow them to take food or bread or shelter or education or culture, or they allow to go to office. Where they'll go? Where their children will go? Where these people will go? They will just die and we'll just see. Let them die. No, we will not say let them die. We want to see they should survive. I don't understand. Even there is a law. Nehru-Liaquat Pact. After even independence of India, earlier India was together. Please understand. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh together. United India. After the division also, there is a pact called Pandit Nehru-Liaquat Pact. There is a pact called Indira Mujib Pact. Even 1971 up to 1971 March, whoever came from Bangladesh, they are very much Indian citizens.